How to buy stocks on Charles Schwab app. Easy method. Most people get this wrong, but buying stocks on the Charles Schwab app is easier than you think. You won't believe how quickly you can place your first trade in just a few taps. First, download the Charles Schwab mobile app from your app store and log in. If you don't have an account, create one and complete the verification process. Ensure your bank account is linked for funding trades. Next, tap the search bar and enter the stock symbol or company name you want to buy. For example, typing Apple will bring up Apple Inc. Select it to view detailed information, including current price, performance charts, and analyst ratings. Now, tap Trade and then Buy. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase or the dollar amount you wish to invest. You can choose between a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, which sets a maximum price you're willing to pay. After reviewing your order, tap Submit. The app will confirm your purchase and the stocks will appear in your portfolio. You can track performance, set alerts, and make additional trades anytime. Finally, remember to review fees, if any, and consider diversifying your investments. Charles Schwab offers research tools and educational content to help beginners make informed decisions. In conclusion, buying stocks on the Charles Schwab app involves logging in, searching for a stock, selecting buy, entering your order, and submitting it. With these steps, you can invest confidently and manage your portfolio right from your phone.